Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about something that I'm calling real-time digital collaboration. We've known for a long time that collaborating together and working together produces a better product, helps us gather ideas and ultimately refine what we're doing in a more effective way. Um, Collaboration used to look like separate documents, separate pieces of paper, perhaps. How do we get that paper into the documents that we're working on? Perhaps emailing each other repeated copies. But with the internet now, we've largely removed a lot of that and are able to collaborate together fairly easily. Google, for example, really helps us distribute, update, store, edit, comment, and ultimately share and submit work that we've done. So how do we bring that into what has really traditionally been a pretty analog classroom now with a lot of classrooms adopting Chromebooks and iPads? How do we bring together people's ideas in real time to help get the most authentic product, the best feedback, and so on? Well, the app that I've discovered and want to talk a little bit about in terms of real-time digital collaboration is called ClassKick, and I've used it a couple of times in my own classroom. I've shared a little bit about it with some of my colleagues. I'm going to play a video from their website real quick because I think it is a nice summary.
Hi class, you'll be using ClassKick to work on assignments and get help anytime. Your teacher will give you a 6-digit class code. When you're ready to work, type in the code, your name, and hit go. Once you are logged in, you can work on your assignment right away. Choose different pen colors or an eraser up here. You can use 2 fingers to scroll down and up the page. If you need help, raise your hand here. When someone helps you on another question, tap here to see it. To give your classmates help, tap here to enter helper mode. If feedback on the page is in your way, tap here to turn it off or on. To get to the next question, flip here. Great, you're ready to go with ClassKick. Have fun.
So as you saw in the video there, he was talking a little bit about how students can interact with the assignments and do their work. But I thought part of the last bit that he was talking about was really what struck me as being something that I've been searching for a long time in an app. In the teacher view on the teacher iPad here, you can see an example of what it looks like. The master copy of the assignment is listed at top. Every student is viewable individually. Green indicates which slide a student is working on at any time. And then a grayed out bar like this of slides indicates that the student has left the app, and you can go interact with that student and find out what's going on. When a student's working on something, the feedback you can give is listed in the bottom corner here that you can give quickly. Or you can also give written feedback as a teacher in real time with the red marker here. From a student view down below here, you can see that students can also virtually raise their hand to seek out help from the teacher. They can also ask for the problem to be checked and verified, or they can raise their hand out to the rest of the class. And then students also have the opportunity to go on and anonymously help each other, which is pretty cool. Here's a little bit more detailed view of what that actually looks like. Students receive feedback on questions and can go back and check what that feedback was. Maybe it'll help them answer the question. They can raise their hand down here to the teacher only, to the class, or the teacher can actually just turn that feature off if it's not needed for that particular assignment. And as I mentioned before, teacher annotations show up in a different color so that they can easily pick out what the teacher is trying to show them. I found a couple of other tools, and I've used Byboard myself a little bit, but I think that these collaboration tools, Mural, ThinkPad, Trello, are really some of the things that we're going to see start catching on in big ways as we go forward in the future in education. I like to think about if I had this opportunity for students to interact with each other in real time through other apps that we currently use, like Notability or Haiku Deck, how much more power that would bring to those particular apps. So I think real-time digital collaboration is something that we will see more of in education in the future. Thanks a lot.